Welcome to US Classic Muscle Cars. Enjoy the videos. We're at the Schaumburg Hooters for a car show today, and we're here with Jim. Jim, what did you bring with you?
I brought my 1963 Corvette convertible.
Sweet.
Here it goes. I would back up, honestly.
That was awesome.
Hey, I'm out here with the winner of the Best in Show, right?
That's correct.
Now, why did you win Best in Show?
I just got lucky. A lot of great cars out here.
Okay.
A lot of great cars.
Tell me about her.
Well, it's a 1979. Numbers matching real Z28. It's got 17,000 original miles. It's been given lots of love and tender care. And they're really cool cars to drive. Horsepower-wise, they're not real big, heavy horsepower cars, but this one has a little work done to it, and it's got a little bit hotter cam, and it's a lot of fun.
Can we open the hood?
Sure, absolutely. It's all stock, except for the modifications done internally, pistons, rings, and the cam. So it's a little faster than your average 79 Z28, but I tried to keep it stock as I could, stock looking, and only comes out on days like this.
Do any racing at all?
No,
Never?
my dad didn't allow it.
No?
No.
Okay. Let me see the interior.
Sure. That's a deluxe Z28 interior.
All original.
It's an automatic 400 turbo. Yes, the car's all original.
Immaculate.
Thank you, honey.
Immaculate.
I try to keep it nice. They're too expensive not to take care of.
No, I mean, you have everything so perfect on it. It's
Well, thank
amazing.
you.
Just amazing. What
you.
color red is it?
You know, I believe that was Chevrolet's red for 1979. I think they called it either cherry red or candy apple red. I'm not sure the exact code name for it. It's on the window sticker that we put away already. But it's all stock, and it's all the original right stuff.
Well, I can see why you got Best in Show. Congratulations.
Well, thank you. Thank you. I appreciate that. And like I said, there's a lot of great cars out there.
Well, that's why we do this, US Classic Muscle Cars, and we'll be sure to feature you on there.
Well,
Make sure you
thank
subscribe.
There you go. Thank you. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it. This is a 1979 Z28 Camaro, all original, numbers matching. And I'm honored to win the Hooters Grand Championship with it. And it's an honor to be here today.
Okay, stick the warts out.
Hold on. 1, 2, 3 over here. Here we go. Nice.
Please, please, please subscribe. We appreciate it.